In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 smart factory technologies, so before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. The future is not with smart factories. The present is them. There were just 16 flagship smart factories worldwide in 2018, the year the World Economic Forum, WEF, launched its Global Lighthouse Network. 4 years later, there are currently 103 flagship industrial factories. The rising list of intelligence-driven, efficiency-enhancing, and robot-friendly technologies that are permeating further up the value chain, however, is even more impressive than the figures. Consumer packaged goods, process industries, medicinal items, and advanced industries like electronics, industrial machinery, and automotive are just a few of the industries where these technologies are finding success. Here, some of the top 5 smart factory technologies. Let's start. Number 5. The digital thread, end-to-end. The upheaval that many businesses have experienced recently, not least of all manufacturing businesses, has highlighted how crucial having an effective and sustainable value chain is. Data is one approach that many businesses can and are using to increase their resilience today. The majority of today's connected businesses have access to enormous amounts of operational data. The only issue is that many people are unsure on how to use it. Manufacturing professionals in Louisville are gathering and exploiting real-time product data, such as the parts and equipment utilized during production, to identify new potential for efficiency and sustainability along the whole value chain. Data can also act as a safeguard outside of the value chain. In fact, it is currently being used quite successfully to enhance employee health and safety. Number 4. Sustainable Internet of Things. The importance of environmental responsibility in business is bigger than ever in today's industrial firms. The Internet of Things is one crucial technology that is proving beneficial for achieving both lofty sustainability targets and significant business KPIs. Factory managers in Louisville are utilizing enormous volumes of real-time data gathered by a network of hundreds of sensors connected via the factory's private cellular network to increase productivity and save energy usage by as much as 5%. With sensors installed, industrial managers have focused on numerous energy-saving techniques, including using water reclamation for recyclable energy and turning off lights and heat in unused sections. Energy savings increase as more production assets are connected, making the system completely future-proof. Number 3. Mobile, autonomous robots. AMR technology markets are experiencing a new surge of energy due to the expansion of cellular networks inside of factories. AMRs, which combine potent AI technologies with 5G's capability to provide low-latency, real-time data transfer, are listed as one of the key efficiency-driving factory technologies to watch out for in Ericsson's recent Future Enterprise report. This combination allows for free movement of AMRs around the production environment and opens up new possibilities for intelligent production chain automation, with use cases ranging from conducting inspections to moving materials. Together with Turkcell and Milvus Robotics, Ericsson recently made headlines by showing the first industrial use case of autonomous mobile robot, AMR, safe crossing. To solve the issue of network slowness brought on by Wi-Fi handover points, which is a major issue in many other of today's wireless factory setups, Louisville manufacturing teams are even outfitting AMRs with 5G modems. With significant progress being made, the market for AMR could soon shake up how shop floors develop for years to come. Number 2. Visual inspection based on machine learning. Failure of a machine can be expensive for factory operations, especially if it results in an extended period of downtime. Traditional visual assessment of plant assets can take a long time and even have a 30% mistake rate. Machine learning-based visual inspection is now achievable thanks to a mix of private cellular networks, ML, and AR technologies. It is a much leaner and safer alternative. Number 1. Hybrid collaboration. The COVID-19 epidemic has expedited a number of trends, including the remote collaboration of workforces, which has created new opportunities for co-creation and closer virtual collaboration across geographical boundaries. Today, businesses have the opportunity to develop virtual working spaces for efficient collaboration across the value chain thanks to the combination of high-performance private cellular networks and digital technologies like extended reality, AI, and digital twins. Manufacturing companies can build a cloud-based factory digital twin of their production site, for instance, and experiment with live shop floor data to establish new innovative methods of working thanks to digital twin technology, such as that being tested by Ericsson in Livorno, Italy. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.